someone is trying to block the way.
Hey, you! Stop! I need to get through!
I think he wants us to stay here and play.
Maybe just a little bit. Come on, Bee! The plants are so tall! Watch out for the dog. He's gone already. Look what I found! Oh, sweetheart.
These are weeds. The crops are right here.
Oh, wow. Look, they're on my bula! Hey, they're so cute! Here you go. Eat well. Hello there, big cow. All right, here we go. Wow, that's so cool. Look at the sheep. They're coming closer. They like our hay. Maybe we can feed them later.
Look at the wool falling.
Just the outer layer for now, okay? Come on, the garden looks beautiful today. Wow, look at all the vegetables. Look what I found, look at this.
Oh, my sweetie. Those are weeds. These are the ones.
Oh. Look what I got.
Wow, that's a big one. Let me help you.
Here, I've got the basket ready. Just a little pull.
Nice work, that's a good one. Don't worry, it's okay, let's pick them up together. Thank you, big sis. All right, here's the first one. Wow, thank you, sis. It's so big.
Look at this one.
Wow, you found a good one.
Can we put it in the basket?
Yes, let's.
Nhớ ba ba ya nơ ma ya na bia nơ.